bring in two reporters who are standing by in the south. First, let's go to Polo Sandoval. He's in Charlotte, North Carolina. Polo, how's it looking there?
Well, Jake, look around me in this park in the heart of Charlotte. Hard to really remind yourself that we are in the South, and this is what conditions have been looking like really much of today. You look over my shoulder, folks have still been turning out to check in the sites, but officials here on the ground quick to remind folks that the worst may not be over. In fact, right now we're still seeing this wave of winter weather sweep through the area. This is actually a lot worse than what we saw earlier today. That's because the temperatures have dropped, and with that will come really a higher risk for ice on the roadways. Sadly, we've seen at least 4 deaths here in North Carolina already due to traffic accidents, so authorities are reminding the public to simply stay at home until the worst of the weather is over. This is the kind of weather that folks here are not used to and especially don't want. Given the fact that on Sunday is that highly anticipated NFC Championship game, which, by the way, is still moving on, is still going to happen come Sunday. But for now, officials are asking that folks simply stay home and really take in the sight from their window. Nick Valencia, this is something that you are seeing right now, though, in Fairfax, Virginia.
Hey there, Polo. Yeah, the meteorologists and the weather models got it right on this one. They said around 4 p.m. is when we would see the heaviest snowfall here in Fairfax, Virginia, and that's exactly what we're getting. Let's just show you, take a look at what the accumulation has happened so far. Just about an inch of snow gathering up here, and we are at the epicenter, Virginia Department of Transportation, where they are preparing the thousands of plows that have already hit those roadways. This is the kind of stuff that they're putting there on the roadways here. It's this mixture of salt. Feels a lot like rock hard glass here. Let's walk over here. I'll show you a little bit more and introduce you to the man of the hour, guy that's really setting up a lot of the preparations here, Steve Shannon. Any bit of advice for those that are watching at home?
We're in subdivisions now. We encourage everyone to park on the odd side of the road if they have to be on the road. Otherwise, park in your driveway or your garage.
And we just saw on the interstate, what did you see out there? How do the roads looking to you? How do you see them?
Well, the interstate was looking good, especially on I-66, the westbound, and that's because there's a lot of traffic, though, and we treated the roads, and it was clear.
So main point, people are listening, people are paying attention. Thank you very much for all that you guys are doing. They're protecting your lives out there, making sure that the roads are safe. At the height of this, they could expect between 3 and 6 inches of snow, perhaps up to 40 inches throughout the weekend. This storm is really no joke, Jake.
All right, Nick Valencia and Polo Sandoval, thank you so much.